Good morning, students. I'm going to start chapter 1 Crop Production and Management. First thing, what do you mean by crop? When similar kind of plants are grown in a large area or that are cultivated in a large area, this is called crop. Suppose in an area all plants are of wheat, this is called the crop of wheat. अगर किसी जगह पर सारे प्लांट्स राइस के हैं then it's called the crop of rice. Now you know India is a vast country. It's a very big country in which climatic conditions are different. Temperature you will find different from south to north. Humidity will be different. Rainfall will be different from one region to another one. So according to that, the plants grown in different area that will be different. According to the seasons, crop can be divided into two types called Kharif crop and Rabi crop. Meaning of Kharif crop, the crops that are sown in rainy season and harvested in winter season. Means जिन्हें rainy season में grow करते हैं और जो mature होती है almost till the winter season. So such kind of crops are called Kharif crop and these are generally sown in June and will be harvested in September. So life cycle will be June to September. Example, paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut and cotton. Second type will be of Rabi crop. These are sown in winter season and will be harvested in March. For example, wheat, mustard, peas, gram, etc. Generally आपने देखा है wheat that are sown in winter season and will be harvested close to the Holi that used to come in end March. So it's sown in winter season and will be harvested in March. Some other pulses and vegetables, these are also grown as a Rabi crop. Now next topic, basic practices of crop production. Whether we plant any of the plant at home or it's done at a large scale. Basic practices means the step will be same and these steps are divided into 7 steps. Included preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protection from weeds, harvesting and storage. जब आप घर पे कोई प्लांट ग्रो करते हो देन फर्स्ट वी मेक द सॉइल अप एंड डाउन, हम थोड़ा सा उसे खोदते हैं, देन वी ऐड सीड टू दैट, देन वी ऐड फर्टिलाइजर, आफ्टर दैट वी ऐड वाटर टू दैट, देन वी प्रोटेक्ट इट फ्रॉम वीड्स. मीन्स कोई अगर अनवांटेड प्लांट वहाँ पर आ जाते हैं, ग्रो हो जाते हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू रिमूव दीज प्लांट्स. हार्वेस्टिंग मीन्स जब वो मैच्योर हो जाते हैं वी यूज टू कट इट and later on we store it. So this is at the small scale, but at large scale how it's done, some special ways are there. So the first point, it's called preparation of soil. This is also termed as plowing. Preparation of soil means this is the first step. And how to prepare soil for growing a crop, इसके लिए क्या करते हैं, to make the soil up and down and to loosen it. Loosen it means उसे लूज करना, उसे ढीला करना. How do we do it? By using some tools we used to make it loose and we do it up and down. कैसे हम मिट्टी को खोद के उसे ऊपर नीचे करते हैं. So this will become loose and so many air spaces are made in it. Now air spaces are made. How is it beneficial for the plant? First thing, this allow roots to penetrate deep into the soil. Means जब अंदर spaces बनेंगे तो roots जो है वो deeply it can grow and it can breathe easily because air is present in it. Second, in the loosened soil, earthworm and other microorganisms can grow easily, and when earthworm and microorganisms will be there, they will continue to do the process of decomposition and as a result soil will be rich in manure. So materials or minerals, or you can say nutrients, will be replenished in the soil. So this whole process is called plowing or tilling, you can also say to this. Generally, this can be done with the help of some tools, and these tools are called hoe and plow. You can see in the picture, this is the plow. This plow, generally it can be used with the help of animals. This is the structure of hoe. In plow, the basic structure is made up of wood, but the main pointed structure, it's made up of metal. That can be iron or some other. Same with the hoe, specially metallic plate is there that can dig the soil easily, and this hoe is also used with the help of animal. But as new technology that is coming continuously now, so many advanced machines are used in farming. So cultivator is one of the main tool used for that, or main machine that is used for that. This can be driven by a tractor. All of you have seen this. At the back of the tractor a machine is fixed. So as the tractor moves, this machine will do the process of plowing.